The Court of Appeal basically said to the lawyer that this attack on the DNA evidence is your weakest ground of appeal. To the court, the DNA evidence was rock solid, unimpeachable. They said, we consider this ground of appeal to be unsustainable. Indeed, we did not require the Crown to respond to it. They basically said to the Crown, to the prosecutor, sit down. You don't have to answer this, just sit down. That's how clear, that's how strong, how solid the science was. The story was, this man had covered his face, but he hadn't covered his tracks. It was the perfect example of what we in the Caribbean have said we want to see from law enforcement and investigative agencies. Rely on science. Don't just pick up people off the road and come up with some story. Rely on science, and it seemed like this was a success story. Really. Julian Washington was convicted for the murder of Stephan Burgess, was convicted for the attempted murder of Devon Brimmer. He was sentenced to life imprisonment without the possibility of parole for 30 years. And he began to serve his sentence. He lost his appeal, justice had triumphed, and it went on like that for years and years and years, at least so far as the public was aware.